Hey, so here is TurboTax app. So to install it on iPhone, just tap Get, and this app, so you need to confirm with your Touch ID. So this app helps you to do taxes easily and faster. And just file the taxes easily in the app from your mobile. So that's super cool. So that's basically the app, and it has over 500k ratings and 4.8 rating out of 5. So that's pretty cool. And then just tap open. And here is the app. And then you just need to scan your driver license, and then you can just and that's there you have it. They just recommend like different experts. And then you can enable notifications. And then finally you can create an account here. So that's how it works.